Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about Python basics. I assume you have installed Anaconda. We are going to open our Jupyter notebook by clicking on Jupyter notebook here, and we will be welcomed by this screen. We are going to create a new notebook of Python 3. Let me increase. I hope you guys can see it. Print. Just run it and it is going to print hello world. If you want to add any two numbers, then just type the numbers and run it. It's going to execute it. And if you want to add the variables, so you got it. A is 1, B is 3, so C is equal to A plus B, C is equal to 4. This is as simple as this. If you want to find length of some string, then you have to type like this. So if we want to find the length of this string hello, then type this and run it. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. So if we want to import any package and find out the value of pi, then you have to import math and run this function. So you will get 3.141592. So next we are going to discuss about lists. First we are going to initialize it. A is equal to, this is the empty list. B is equal to, this is the string list, because we are keeping this number within this inverted commas. If we want a number list, then we have to type like this. So this will be number list. You can replace these numbers 1, 2, 3 by some letters also. So that will be string list. And you can create a list of list also. So this is the list of list. This, so okay. Next we are going to append two lists. So let's run this. So we can see here the list B contains 1, 2, 3, and we have appended string C to it. So the list of B is 1, 2, 3, C. It has appended C. Then concatenate. Run it. So it is next, iterating through numbers. So here I am missing colons. So that's why it is showing error. So we can see that it is iterating. Entry is first, entry is second, entry is third. Next, sorting. So it has sorted the number 4, 5, 8, 7, 9. I mean, it has these numbers are arranged in ascending order. And to reverse this, so it has reversed this list 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 to 9, 8, 7, 5, 4. Next, indexing. In the list, the elements start from 0th place. 1 is at 0th place, 2 is at 1th place. So if we want to start the indexing, it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the index at number 3? That is 2. Next, modifying members. So we have changed the third place 0, 1, 2, 3. So there was 6, we changed it to 5. So we got the list as 1, 2, 4, 5, 5, 8. Next, to insert a member to a list. So we are going to just copy and paste here. Next, we want to insert it. Insert some number 2, 3. So next, we are going to run it. 3 was inserted here in this A list. Next, delete a number. So we can see that 4 has been deleted. The number at the position 2 deleted. Next, tuples. Initializing tuples. And we can also write tuple of tuple. So if we run it, it won't show any error. Yeah, it is not showing any error. So whatever we have initialized, it is right. Next, iterating through members. Again, we are going to copy it just for the sake of saving time. It is same like list, so there is no much difference. The only thing is it is immutable. Next, dictionaries. It has got keys and variables. This is also an array of data, list and tuples. So how do we initialize dictionaries? This is an empty dictionary. So this is key, and this is value. Key value separated by colon. This is the simple dictionary. Next we are going to modify dictionary. Modify dictionary. So we will copy the same thing here. Next d2 is equal to let's add bat. So what will happen now? So we can see from the dictionary is 1, b2, c3, and d2 bat is added here. Next we are going to access dictionary. So how to access dictionary? We will just copy the same dictionary and value is equal to d dot get. So I have done small mistake. This is capital N. So I have got the value of key B. The key B, its value is 2. In the next video we'll start with Tkinter basics.